Welcome back to Motor Hub. Today we're diving into a beast that's rewriting the rules of the drag strip, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1. This car isn't just a nod to its legendary heritage, it's a statement of raw, unfiltered performance. Chevy's COPO line has always been about dominating the quarter mile, and this year's ZL1, it's built to do exactly that. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the COPO ZL1 screams power. It combines the retro charm of classic Camaro design with cutting-edge aerodynamics. The aggressive front fascia, wide stance and functional hood scoop aren't just for show. Every line, every angle is engineered for speed and efficiency. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the magic happens. The COPO ZL1 comes equipped with Chevrolet's supercharged 5.7-liter LT4 V8. It's a monster that delivers a jaw-dropping 580 horsepower. Designed exclusively for drag racing, this engine is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, giving you lightning-fast shifts when it matters most. And with its factory-installed drag tires, you're looking at a car that's purpose-built to obliterate the quarter mile. Chevrolet didn't just focus on raw power. They made sure the COPO ZL1 is a complete drag racing package. Out back, you've got a solid rear axle with an adjustable suspension. Whether you're tuning for different track conditions or chasing that perfect launch, the car delivers precision and consistency. Now inside, it's all about function over frills. The cockpit is stripped down and race-ready. Lightweight bucket seats, a roll cage, and a simplified dashboard remind you that this isn't your daily driver. It's a no-compromise track weapon. But the COPO ZL1 isn't just about numbers, it's about the experience. That supercharge of whine, the roar of the V8, the adrenaline as you rock it down the track, it's pure, unfiltered automotive joy. What's even more impressive is that Chevrolet offers this car with a factory warranty. That's right, a purpose-built drag racer with factory backing. It's a testament to the engineering and confidence Chevy has in this platform. For enthusiasts and racers alike, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 is more than a car, it's a legacy reborn. It's a bold statement that, even in a world shifting toward EVs, the roar of a V8 still has its place. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 COPO ZL1 the ultimate drag strip king, or do you have another contender in mind? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars.